Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3, and we are learning unit 6. Its title is Story of a Wheat Plant. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn how to lead and follow. Before this in English for grade 2, I have taught you how to listen and respond to commands. Okay? How to listen and respond to commands. So we are going to learn further to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to lead and follow. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Nisa, verse 59. O believers, obey Allah and obey the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam and those in authority among you. Yes, my dear students, what this verse is telling us. We should obey, first of all, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Secondly, the messenger, our beloved prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And who is third? The one who is given authority. Who comes in authority? At your home, your parents, your elders, maybe your siblings, grandparents, whoever who is elder than you. At school, your teacher. In teacher's absence, your monitor or prefect. So beta, we should understand this is command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to obey the one who is in authority, who is responsible for you. So we should follow who is in authority to us because Allah is saying us, obey. All right. So, inshallah, we'll talk about it further. First, you tell me, what does lead and follow mean? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered correctly. Lead means a person who has been given an authority to command. And follow means to obey the instructions. But the rule is that somewhere we are elder and somewhere we are younger. So where we are elder, we have authority to command. And where we are younger, we are bound to follow. Right? This is how we do. And this is how we do. You look, Mama duck is walking and the ducklings are following. This is how we can follow by, practically and by words, both. All right. So whatever, when we command through our words, through our gestures, and how do we do that? Like your face, your body language, your words, everything tells what you are saying. Okay. So either we are supposed to command or we are following. In both ways, we should be nice. We should behave nicely. Okay. So let's practice it. What does your book say about it? Look at this picture. There are 3 characters and the example is to lead and follow in a group. Now they are working in a project and when we are working together, so we have different places. Here this girl is the lead of this group. So what she's saying, take this bottle and pour it here. Okay. Now this boy says, okay, Kiran. All right, because she is the lead, that's why we are supposed to follow her. And this boy is saying, I'm observing this solution as you instructed, Kiran. So beta, this is how, it doesn't matter. Sometime of same age, one is leading. So we should follow the way we follow our elders, because maybe this is a science project, she is better in science. In some other project, you are better in English, you will be lead. This is how in groups we should work nicely, either we lead or follow. Do you understand the concept? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do, your teacher will divide class in 5 groups, and one of the students will be group leader. Your teacher will decide who is going to lead the group. Teacher will create a scenario, and you are planning to decorate your class. For example, this is the scenario you are going to decorate your class. Each group will come in front of the class to display a role play how the group leader will pass on the instructions and how rest of the team members will respond to follow. Okay, and teacher, if you want to make it more interesting, you can keep changing the lead. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity in groups, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will practice the lead and follow instructions in group with your siblings at home, and you will write any 2 sentences about it. This is your homework. Here I'm giving you a worksheet. Again, my fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, there are different scenarios and characters. You are going to complete the dialogue, and you have to identify who is the lead and who is following the instructions. All right. So what we have learned today, we learned the conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in a group to lead and follow. So in this way, we achieved our SLO, demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to lead and follow. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.